Okay, I got this old frame here that I'm going to take the brake pedal off and the front end off of, and in a later video I'm going to take the rear wheel and swing arm off and show you a little trick too when we get there to the forks about how to save your ball bearings. And I'm going to take the brake pedal off. I had to pound this one through. Normally you can pull it through from the other side, but this one was bent like hell in the middle, so I had to pound the pivot point out. And that's all there is to that. I'm going to take the handlebars off. Got 4 bolts. I believe they're 12 millimeter. Of course, you see this thing was already kind of stripped out before I got it. If you notice, the little chrome pieces on the forks are actually pieces of plumbing. Put that back so I don't lose it. Move on to the forks. There's the crappy headlight that I'm going to take off. It's attached to the bottom fork mounts. And there's 4 bolts and nuts on top, or 2 bolts and nuts on top. And you always can try to pull these out without squeezing them apart, but this one I had to squeeze apart a little bit, just a little bit. Be careful with the top one especially, because it's aluminum and they are prone to crack. These top yokes are expensive because of that reason. And that one came out alright. About hit me in the face. Get the other side out. I've never seen a cracked bottom, but I've seen a couple cracked tops. This one, the rust is fighting me a little bit. You see the rust on that fork's pretty bad. The lowers might be salvageable, but the forks are definitely gone. And we'll get the top nut off. And it was way too easy. There's a big old washer here. And then there's a bolt and nut holding that on. And then you basically just pull the top off. And I'm looking at this one trying to decide if it's any good or not, and it did end up being good. Now the fun part. Break that nut loose. Don't take it apart yet. I saved these magnets from speakers from days gone by. They're very nice and handy to have. For this reason, you'll see in a second. There they go. Now you can't see it, but my bottom hand actually has another magnet, and I'm holding on to the stem and pulling it out, and it catches most of the bottom as well with the magnets. You might lose a few, but most people replace these anyway, but if you want to save them. But thanks for watching.